Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've made a video almost like this before, but I just kind of was playing today and realized I have an outline around this. It's 8.233 points. And also, I have it to scale with object. And I'm going to say okay. Now, I'm going to go, I like that size outline. I like that thickness. But instead of having to go to these other three units and type in 8.233, get your attribute eyedropper, click on your attribute or what you want to copy, and just do this, do this, do this, and now you have the same outline. And not only the same outline, but they are scale with object. So if we make this thing 10% of its original size, the lines are still going to be clear and crisp. And if you don't understand that, let's do this. Let's take this one and not scale it with object. And now let's take all these and make them 10% of the original size. And you can see now the ellipse is much, much thicker. And if you went smaller, it'll get thicker and thicker and thicker where it won't even be a outline anymore. So whenever you draw something and you're starting out, I always start off big. I make sure I have scale with object on. But try out the attribute docker. It's pretty cool. I mean, it does a lot. Let's just fill this in with yellow and go to the attribute docker. Well, really let's do this. We're gonna sample it, and now we've got a black outline with a yellow box. Let's create something completely new. Let's make it red with a green outline, and we'll make the outline really thick, just so you can see it works. We will scale with object. So if I want this one like that, let's make it a little bit bigger. It's got a black outline now, but I'm going to get the attribute docker. It's taking in the fact, the fill and the color of the outline. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.